Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shomi. Today I will show you how to use aloe vera for pimple. So let's start it. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon lemon juice. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Mask is ready to use. Now apply it all over your face. Aloe vera gel can work wonders on your skin by reducing pimples. Turmeric has antiseptic and antibacterial properties that fight pimples. This mask clears excessive oil, dead cells and lightens pimples marks. Use this pack 3 to 4 times in a week. Leave it for 20 minutes on your skin and then wash off with water. If you guys watch me first time on YouTube, then please subscribe to my channel for watch my more videos and press bell button for notification. Take care. Bye bye.